Hi everyone. Uh, Today I'm excited to share my new project, which is the Smart Wellness Clock, which is built around this ESP32-S3-BOX3, which is an AI development board with Wi-Fi, touchscreen, and voice capabilities. So this clock uh, tells us more than the time. So it displays current time, room temperature, and it also runs on this battery. And this device is consuming very low power. So it has this stand which has the temperature and humidity sensor. So this is the temperature and humidity sensor. Beside that, we have the battery indicator when it's charging, and when the battery is quite low, then it will indicate an LED over here. We have the on off button over here for the turning on the battery. On the front side, we have this IR transmitter and receiver, and this is the radar. And on bottom side, you can see this like a PCB, and we have to connect our battery on these terminals. So it is given battery positive and negative terminals. So the flat end is the negative and this one is the positive. So make sure you're connecting it in the correct way. So this is how you connect the battery. Okay. So this is the front side, and you can see this connector over here. So these are the gold fringes connector onto our main display, and we just have to slide this in this dock. This is how you can connect the display. And now let's look at this component. So we have the Type-C connector over here. So you can power this device. You can separately power this device also. So there is a Type-C, and you can even communicate with the ESP32-S3 from that connector. Here we have the micro SD slot. We have the power on off LED, mic on and off buttons, and some of the user buttons. Okay, so this is a touch button, and we have the display over here, and on front we have this two microphone. So you can power either from this way, but since this have the different sensors onto it, so you have to connect it either here on this Type-C, or we can use this to power the ESP32-S3-BOX3. So I will put it in this, and now let's power this on. So I will just slide this switch and to on, and you can see this power symbol is glowing. Okay, so this is our main display, and on top you can see right there is a symbol of Wi-Fi which is saying on. So now what it will do is it is initializing and it will try connecting to the Wi-Fi. So let's wait for some time. Okay, yeah. So you can see it takes a couple of seconds to connect to the Wi-Fi. On the top left, you can say it is daytime, and the blue color, this is the time in seconds. And then we have the day, which is Sunday, month, and this is the date, 15. And then on the bottom, we can see this surrounding temperature and humidity. So it changes real time. If I try to place my fingers, let's see if it changes the humidity level. Just now 52. Temperature is also changing, 60, 64, 66. So if I remove my hand from this sensor, so this is the temperature humidity sensor. So you can see the values are going on decreasing. We can even use this battery, and it consumes very low power. So that's all for today. Thank you.